In today's video, I will walk you through how to accept ACH payments with Stripe. First, navigate to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard, go to the Settings section. You can find the Settings option in the lower left corner of the interface. Click on Settings to open the available options. From the Settings menu, select Payments. Click on Payments to expand the payment settings and access more options. Next, look for payment methods in the list and click on it. This will open the available payment methods in Stripe, where you can manage which payment options are activated or deactivated. Scroll through the list of available payment methods until you find ACH Direct Debit. If the ACH Direct Debit option is available, select the toggle button next to it to turn it on. After enabling the toggle, the ACH Direct Debit payment method will be activated. If you do not see ACH Direct Debit in the list, the option may not be available based on your regional settings or account type. The availability of this option can vary depending on your location and account details. To enable ACH Direct Debit, make sure the option appears in your payment methods list, then click the toggle button to activate it. Once the toggle is turned on, the setup is complete. ACH Direct Debit payments are now enabled through your Stripe payment settings. Thank you for watching.